Welcome. In front of me is an Alcatel 3T10 and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this tablet. So to get started, you want to open up content that you wish to capture, have it open and visible on the screen. And once that's done, which I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so obviously it's already open and visible. So once you have that, you're gonna hold the power key and volume down at the same time. I believe once you let go, it will capture the screenshot. And as you've seen, there's a couple options before. So we have scroll, screen recording, edit, delete, and share. And after a moment, it disappears. Now, you don't actually need to hold those keys. I just figured it out. I can just simply click both of them at the same time, and that's it. Now, once you have captured your screenshot, you can quickly find it in your Photos application. And it will be visible, I think, right at the top. Nope, never mind, it's not showing up here, so we need to navigate into a library. Oh, and we have screenshots folder, where you'll find, obviously, the screenshots. Now, for some reason, I only see one, even though I captured two. So, not exactly sure what's going on here, but obviously this is one of them that I have captured, so 550, which is the second one, I believe. So first one just kind of disappeared, I guess. But anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.